So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to insert a square into your design here in Visme. So pretty straightforward. Open up Visme on either your iOS device or on your computer. Once you're here, go to the top left and right beside where it says text, there is this square icon. You just simply go ahead and press on square. Just like that, you can add a square to your design. Now, if you want to edit maybe the color of a square or change the size, you can just drag this bottom bar, up or down to make it larger or smaller. You can go ahead here, go to the top left, press on this color icon if you want to change the color, and you can basically just play around with it. But it's pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add a square to a design here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.